This part we're going to talk about creating new document libraries. Remember, you can have as many document libraries as you would like. So what you'll do is make sure you're logged in and go to View All Site Content. Right under All Site Content you'll see the button for Create. So click Create and you'll see that there are libraries, communication tracking, custom lists, and web pages. We're going to choose Document Library under Libraries and click on that. Now you can name your library, so you can call it anything you'd like. So I'm going to call it a test library just because I'm testing. And you can type a description in if you'd like to have a description. Under navigation, this is where you determine if it's going to be on your quick launch bar over here on the left hand side, or if later you're going to link it maybe through your lists and links or on your page. I'm going to choose no. And this next section is on document version history. This means that every time you create a version, are you going to create a version every time you edit something in the document library? The default is no, which is usually what you want to do for now. Under document template, this is the default for all new files that are created in the document library, and right now you'll see it's Microsoft Office Word, which is fine for what we're doing. So click Create when you're finished. Click Create and you'll see that a new document library will open, and you can upload documents to this library just like we did before in the last little episode. So you can upload documents or upload multiple documents. You also can set your permissions for this document library as well. So you can go down here and set your permissions. Once you've added everything to your library, you can go back to View All Site Content, and you will see that if you scroll, you have your document library. Okay. Now, if you wanted to delete this library, you can go to Site Actions and go to Site Settings. And under Site Settings, under Site Administration, you can click on Site Libraries and Lists. We're going to click on that. And it allows you to change your document library and to customize. So I'm going to scroll down to Customize Test Library, and I'm going to click on it. And it allows me to change some of the settings. But under Permissions and Management, I'm going to click Delete this document library. That will allow me to delete it. It will give me a warning, make sure I want to delete it, and when I click OK, it deletes that particular document library. So you can get rid of them if you make too many or you want to change things around. You can do that as well. So if I go back to View All Sites Content, you'll see in my library it's gone. So you can get rid of them if you decide, oh, I made that and I don't really need it. It'll help clean up your document libraries category.